Alright, today we're looking at the 2019 Kona EV. We're going to talk a little bit about the scheduled maintenance on these vehicles and what it entails. So, looking at the difference between the gasoline version and the electric version, there's some difference here. Mainly the power plant. Braking system, pretty much the same. Steering components, the same. Air conditioner, slightly different, but works the same. Same theory. Cooling, windshield washer, everything, steering components. It's all looking about the same. The main thing here, the electric motor and the gear reduction unit that replaces the transaxle. A lot less moving parts. Gasoline motors, hundreds of moving parts. Transmission, hundreds of moving parts. These ones probably total less than 2 dozen moving parts between the two pieces put together. So let's take a look at maybe what the scheduled maintenance looks like. I got the list from Hyundai, and let's take a look at the inside. Alright, we're at 24,800, and let's look at the schedule. So 25,000 miles. It looks like they want it every 5,000 miles. They want to take a peek at it. 25,000 miles looks like just a tire rotation. So we'll go through the schedule here, and it looks like, you know, checking everything, brakes, cooling, steering, the usual as any other car. Until 70,000 miles, it says inspect the reduction gear fluid. So that's the first thing. They're not changing it, they're just inspecting it. So far we haven't put any old oil or any other fluids back into the environment here. So let's go into, here we are over 85,000 miles, 120,000 miles. It says replace the coolant. That's the antifreeze. And it says it again at 150. But I guess maybe if they don't do it at 120, they'll do it at 150. I don't know if they would do it in 30,000 miles or not. But what a difference between this and the internal combustion. There's just like not much going on, but a lot of checking. I think we did the right thing by picking one of these up. I've had it just over a year now, and I got, like I say, coming up on 25,000 miles. No regrets. Alrighty, I hope this was good information for you guys, and I hope you pick one up. Thanks.